Welcome back, everybody. You're welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be planting my flower seeds. I'm really late planting them, but there is a reason. For Mother's Day, I give my mom and my sister flower starts, and they're not usually ready for them until the first week in June. So I don't want these to be really tall and root bound and everything whenever I give it to them, so I started them a little bit late. But here I'll just show you, instead of going through all of them, I'll just show you what I'm planting. First off, we have some from our friends from this is from Littlefoot Ranch, and we have some from Horse Range Mountain Farm, and some from Last Day's Homesteading, and we'll give them a try. My sunflowers, I'm going to probably start different. I'm going to start them off in cups because they get so big, and the rest of them will go in the seed trays in the water bed seeder. If you can see all them, it does look like a lot, but really it is, but I have cosmos, zinnias, daisies, marigolds. These marigolds is special marigolds. Daniel had given me marigolds in first grade, and I've been saving the seeds ever since. So I always grow some from Daniel's seeds. Here's some nasturtium that I had. I probably need to get more seeds for it. Hopefully these will come up. And I have poppies, but I'm pretty sure it's too late for me to plant those. And it says to direct sow them, but I may do those in the fall. And calendula, I'm gonna try do them. I've got so many that reseeded in my flower bed that I'll just get some from there for my mom and my sister. So let's go up and get these started. Okay, I'm starting these here in the greenhouse because we've already got some tomatoes planted here, and I don't want to take them out in the sun. Hope you can hear me from the goats, because I don't want to get these sunburned. Okay, let's get started. We'll start with zinnias. Okay, got done with that tray. I'm going to sprinkle this vermiculite over top instead of the dirt. This will sort of combat this algae and some of the mold. So we're going to just cover the seeds with that, and it'll help the seeds come up easier because this is really it's not heavy, it's light, so the seeds will pop through this. Okay, on to the next tray. Okay, this is the second day I'm doing this. This is 2 days later. We had some rain yesterday, so I didn't get to get out and plant any more. So we're going to start on our cosmos in this tray. This is a volunteer tomato. I don't know how it got in there. We didn't have the tomato seeds around these, so we're just going to let it go, do its thing. So we're going to start with the cosmos. You can see that. Okay, that's it for that one. The rest of my seeds I'll probably just start in cups. But I'll put some vermiculite on this and put it back in the greenhouse. And why I don't need to plant calendula, this is my flower bed. It needs weeded, but I'm gonna wait till the chickens are not free ranging. We'll be putting them up when garden season starts. But I've got this little screen, and all those up through there are calendula. They reseeded themselves. And I've got some of the, I think these are the crazy daisies, or the English daisies 1. And I've got some other daisies coming up, and the delphiniums. I've got to get this weeded. But if I was to weed it now, the chickens, that would be an invite for them to come and scratch. So kind of wait until we stop letting them roam. As you can see, they're down here already. Got a pansy that's bloomed. Only one so far. I think this is all pansies. I've just got a lot of weeding and mulching to do. Okay, we've got the vermiculite on it back in the greenhouse. And I want to show you, this is the one I done 2 days ago. And I'm already getting some starts coming up. So that's a good sign. I don't know if you can see that. But that's what we're doing this week. And I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.